Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Update Orchestrator Service DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. While preparing the manual steps for Update Orchestrator Service, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Update Orchestrator Service. It manages the sequencing and scheduling of Windows updates. If corrupted, the Windows Update page will hang at checking for updates indefinitely or return 0807002 errors, indicating the update sequencer has failed to initialize. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Update Orchestrator Service DLL is restored to its original verified state. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Update Orchestrator Service. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Update Orchestrator Service DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing Update Orchestrator Service. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Update Orchestrator Service or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.